Les oiseaux dans la charmille.
Good day. Today's topic is Patricia JANEČKOVÁ. Patricia JANEČKOVÁ was a Slovak soprano who captivated the world with her powerful and expressive voice. From a very young age, she demonstrated an exceptional talent for music, participating in numerous competitions and enchanting audiences with her performances. Patricia became famous when she was 12 years old. She won a talent show called Talent Mania in the Czech Republic. Her performance of Ennio Morricone's Sera una volta il West, as you can see in this video, was a big moment in her career. Sadly, Patricia died too young. She passed away at the age of 25 from cancer. Opera lovers around the world were very sad when she died. Even though she didn't live a long life, she left us beautiful music. Her recordings and videos will continue to inspire people. Her voice and love for music will never be forgotten.
À vous!